All right, so now I have 3 rows sewn, and now I have to put the rows together. Now this is where, it's gonna press that. This is where ironing comes into place. So if you look on the back side, I've ironed the seams towards the dark. When I pick up the pieces in order of the row, right? So I'm gonna take these 2 and sew those together. They will match. And by that I mean, they're gonna lie nice and flat and the seams will match up. So you'll have a nice square. If I line that up, seam to seam, I now have a flat piece here. As opposed to having the seams all going the same way, you're gonna have a big bulky chunk. So it keeps it nice and flat. I like to put a pin there. And it matches up the edge to edge, which is fantastic. So I put a pin in there to hold it. And I'll sew that. Let's see, move the camera. There we go. I need some editing here, people. Where's my editor? All right, so here we go. I've got it at 2. I'm not gonna backstitch because it's already at a fine number 2 here, actually a little less. All right. So I'm gonna quickly sew that. Cross my fingers that it worked. Take the pins out. Ooh, it matches. All right, let's hope it happens for the next one. So now we've got this piece. Does it go here? Nope, gotta line it up over here. Same thing, it just fits. It just, when you put it seam to seam, it just wants to go together, which is a nice thing that happens. Yes, I know, I should probably pin it, but I've got it fitting in there. And I'm gonna hang on to that as I get really close, all right? And there's our hand stitch seam. Let's hope that matches up. There we go. We have a 9 patch. And they all line up. So I'm going to quickly press that for you to see. You guys are going to use a regular ironing board. I'm just going to, for the magic of television here, quickly iron that for you. So this is basically a 9 patch hand stitched together. I know I use the machine for convenience here, but you could see from the first batch I did, all of that I did by machine, you could totally do by hand. And I do still enjoy doing some hand piecing. All right, that's, oh, I missed it. There we go. All there, put together.